In this video, we show how to replace the left control panel in an R470. Before working inside your system, read through and follow safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. To remove the left control panel with riser 2 removed from the system, disconnect the data cable and unroute it from its guides. Removing it from these as well, and then out from underneath this clip. Remove the 3 screws that secure the control panel in place. And then slide the control panel out, being careful with the cable. To install the left control panel, carefully with the cables, align the control panel and slide it into place. Then return the screws. Now reroute your cable, slide it under the clip, underneath these, those back down into place, continuing back here and around and under here and around this slot, and then reconnect the cable. And then also make sure you get this last routing guide. For more information or support about the PowerEdge R470, visit dell.com/support.